Why, hello. Fancy meeting you here. This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodles recipe time. And this is the show where I impart my knowledge of instant noodles to you. I've reviewed over 3,000 different varieties of instant noodles at this point. And today we're going to do one that I've already reviewed in the past, but I had an extra pack. Actually, this came by way of the guys in Singapore. They have a Instagram page called Halal Food Blog. It's either Halal Food Blog or the Halal Food Blog. I want to say it's Halal Food Blog. And I want to thank them. They went to Uzbekistan. Now I'm getting... Yeah, I think they went to Uzbekistan. And they sent me some noodles that they found there that were Russian, I believe. And I'd never reviewed anything from Russia before, so that was cool. But they also sent me some varieties from Singapore that they like. And here's one of them. This is Hokkaido Miso flavor. And I thought, well, this one's been sitting here for a little while, so I should probably review this because I've already had it before, but hey, why not have it again? So, why don't we crack it open? I already got water boiling. 550 milliliters, that is, folks. What do we have here? We've got a powder sachet. We have a liquidus sachet. And that looks like it. Let's take a look at this noodle block. Hopefully without making a large mess. I'm pretty good at making a mess. Noodle block. Good to go. Oh, how long do you need, buddy? How long do you need? You need 4 minutes. Okay. Really? Okay. Felt like there was maybe another sachet in there. There was a little bit of weight. And you know, since it was dude from Halal Food Blog who sent it, I was gonna put chashu in this, but you know, I am going to put that back in the fridge because that seems rather disrespectful. So, and on the packaging, it actually shows using chicken, and I wish I would have thought of it. It's kind of a busy day for us right now. And so I've got some chicken breast lunch meat. I know you're thinking like, God, really? You can use lunch meat? Hey, you got to go with what you got, right? So that's what I'm going with. I'm going to use this fork to stir. In the background, you can probably hear Miles. He's kicking on the entertainment center as per usual. How you doing, Miles? Are you happy? Good. So, got some mung bean sprouts. I'm just going to drop them in right now. So, a problem. I don't have any spring onion. Luckily, I have this. If this is... Oh, no. This isn't what I thought it was, is it? No, it's not. Oh. It's gotta be. Come on, please. Be what I thought you were. See, I had some dehydrated spring onion. Which is like... Yeah, you are, aren't you? No, you... Yes? No. So there's these mushrooms that... Yeah, then this isn't it. Drat. That, like... There are two things that I always like to make sure that are in ramen. And that's spring onion and mung bean sprout. And not having spring onion makes me feel like an absolute horrible host for this show currently. But I actually had to really look for it to find it on the picture of the serving suggestion on the package. So I feel a little less bad, but I still feel pretty low in myself. Okay, what time we got? We got a minute 15. So today is actually an amazingly wonderful, awesome day. As many of you know, my son Miles has a speech delay. Not a smashing Legos delay or getting mad about them delay, but we went to the school district and they did an assessment a couple weeks ago, and today was the results meeting. And I was thinking the whole time, oh man, we're gonna go in there because he's been getting services from a place and it's helped him so much. And I was thinking we were gonna go in there and they were gonna be like, sorry, he doesn't qualify. Well, he did qualify for everything that and more than I expected him to be able to get. So that's like, oh man, that's so cool. Wow. I'm like I'm like choking up about it. It's so cool because it's like he's such a good kid and he deserves to be able to have happiness in his life. And the fact that he can get this kind of start, extra help. He's turning 3 in a couple weeks. And then mid-September, he'll be going to school like 4 days a week. Isn't that crazy? It's like, man, before kindergarten, he'll already have 2 years of school under his belt, which is like, yeah. So, all this could go down. He could be doing way better, and I think we might have a doctor on our hands. We'll see. But, yeah, I want to thank the local school district, you know who you are, for seeing fit to get him in. That's pretty awesome. Adding the oil. Alright, giving it a stir. Stir, stir, stir. Heat is on. If I'm going to move you back a little bit right out. And we're going to get our bowl. Now, this isn't from Nissan Singapore. This is from Nissan Hong Kong. Yeah. Check that out. I never use these bowls because there's nothing in the middle. I like to use bowls that kind of have a little bit of ornamentation. But check them out. That bowl has had so much mac and cheese in it, you wouldn't even believe it. But it's a rad bowl. Alright, so here's our Hokkaido Miso from Singapore. From the nice folks at HALAL Food Blog. Again, thank you so much. And of course, this is halal, which is pretty cool because usually you're going to find Japanese varieties are going to have usually a lot of pork and stuff. So let's give it a taste. It definitely does have a miso taste. It's different. It tastes definitely more chicken based than pork. And I'm getting just a little tiny hint of spiciness. Chicken. I'm sorry, I got distracted by the chicken. This is chicken, like lunch meat that you get at Costco. It works. It's good. It's just kind of hard to work with at this exact point. So I'm just gonna go crazy and grab a grip of it and drop it right here because I don't know what else to do. Got to have a bite of it. That's good. Okay. What else belongs in miso? Well, funny you should ask. We need corn. Yeah. Corn and butter are very common and very lovely to add to miso. So here's some corn we're gonna throw in right about there. Now I want to do the butter last. Well, the butter is like pretty much ice cold, but I don't know. I don't want to have a buttery mess. Okay. Now we're gonna try some egg action right about there. Come on. Made exclusively on Instant Noodle Recipe Time with the egg-o-lette, which is kind of just funny. Come on. Poke your head out of the swamp of food. Okay. And that didn't work. Is that everything? We got chicken, corn, and we're going to do the butter now, I guess. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let butter rest on the spoon for a moment. And maybe that'll cause it to shape like the spoon. I really like those square pats of butter. Here we go. Come on. There you go. That's not bad. It's got the look. It's got the look. And we'll use the nanami. I think the nanami togarashi will go nice on the corn predominantly, but unfortunately I have no spring onion. I could just say, hey, I want something green in there and use some coriander, but I think that would just be kind of weird. I think it's already just kind of a little bit weird, but let's see how you look. Oh, let's get in there a little closer. Come on. Come on, come on. They're not bad. But yeah, pretty easy to do up. Just a soft-boiled eggs and frozen corn that's been... You got to defrost it, because if you just microwave it straight, it just won't be happy about that. Anyways, yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, so thanks again to Halal Food Blog for shooting these over. Go check their Instagram, and I believe it's halalfoodblog.com is their site. So yeah. Well, anyways, thanks again for checking out the dealio, and if you enjoyed this video, please check out the cavalcade of video fun over on this side of me. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.